Ripple CEO explains how his company survives through bear markets. In a recent Twitter thread, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse weighed in on the recent cryptocurrency crash, arguing that the market is likely to shrink in the near term. The executive, however, remains bullish in the long term. He believes that cryptocurrencies will eventually become an integral part of the financial system. Garlinghouse says that Ripple, one of the oldest crypto companies, managed to weather previous bear market downturns by having experienced executives focusing on the long term and operating with transparency. While many crypto companies have paused hiring or started shrinking their staff, Ripple says that it will be able to grow the number of employees even during the bear market after securing a significant cash balance, awaiting the Fed's decision. Earlier today, Bitcoin came perilously close to dropping below the $20,000 level before seeing a mild relief rally. Some are predicting that this will be the first bear market when the cryptocurrency drops below the peak recorded during the previous bull cycle. As reported by the Wall Street Journal, the U.S. Federal Reserve is now ready to implement a 75 basis hike this Wednesday. This would be the biggest rate increase since 1994 as the central bank is becoming increasingly hawkish to battle out of control inflation. While Bitcoin has mostly thrived in a low-interest rate environment throughout most of its existence, there are growing fears of the Fed completely crashing the cryptocurrency ecosystem by putting an end to the era of free money. Rates are now expected to hit 4% by mid-2023. The last time they were this high in 2007, Bitcoin was yet to be launched. If you wanna step into cryptocurrency field, it is time to action. Click the link below and register Lbank Exchange and start to earn. This is Crypto Street. See you next time.